There are an anti-freezing valve and a user's manual in the box of the polar valve T-type. Make sure to shut off valve at main riser. Turn on the faucet to drain remained water. Remove the faucet and use to install the polar valve. Apply Teflon tape around the male thread of polar valve about 10 times. Mount the polar valve to the water pipe. At this point, the water outlet must be installed downward. Mount the faucet to the internal piping connection of polar valve. Turn on the valve at main riser. Turn on the faucet for 10 to 20 seconds to check water. The polar valve, using shape memory alloy instead of wax, ensures precise operation and excellent durability. With the polar valve, use water anytime, even in freezing weather.